Hi, my name is Margot, and this is actually my first YouTube video, so subscribe and comment down below what you would like to see in future videos. And if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. Thank you, and let's get right into it. Well, first of all, I'm going to prime with this Optical Illusion by Urban Decay. I've actually liked it a lot. It helps my pores. So yeah, I just do that quickly. I'll just rub it in. Rub it in really nicely. Just get it on my pores. As you can see, I have a lot of redness right here. And I'm kind of getting a cold. I don't know. That's why I have redness around my nose. But I mean, that's fine. Okay, now I'll let that sit in, and while it sits in, I'll do my eyebrows. First, I get the spoolie so I can comb them. And then I get my Anastasia wax, and I use this Real Technique brow brush. I really liked it. I was thinking about buying the one from Anastasia, but I mean, it was too expensive for me. So I was just like, this one is cheaper, so I'll try it. And it actually came with a bundle of brushes. Sorry if I'm looking that way because my mirror is actually on this side. So yeah, I'll just do that. I guess I just fill in my brows. I don't really give it a natural shape. Well, that's what I think. But yeah, and I just like to, the excess I have, I'll just put it like here in the beginning, because sometimes I've noticed that I don't put anything in the beginning and it looks kind of weird. Because you want it a little bit like lighter so it looks natural, but sometimes I forget to put like anything at all, and I'm like, that doesn't look good. Okay, now I'm gonna go with my Infallible PROMATTE. Sorry if it's not a little, it's a lot dirty, so you can see I love this stuff. And I usually just put like a tiny bit, and I mix it with my concealer, which is a Tarte Shape Tape. At first, I didn't really like this concealer because I thought it was too drying for my under eyes. But I mean, since I put this foundation on, the PROMATTE, I mean, it's been good. It's been okay. I'm not sure if I would buy it again, but it's definitely working out for me right now because, you know, my parents don't really like spending money on makeup, so a lot of my makeup, I've bought it myself, or I mean, I've asked like a million times my parents for that, and after like a million times they have bought it. But I mean, it's not like my parents really like buy makeup. Oh yeah, I have that done. I usually put 2 coats. I'll just dot it here and dot it on the other side, because your girl sometimes has like bad under eye bags, because I don't know, I guess I get really tired and I don't sleep that early really, because you know, in weekdays I have school, and I say I'm gonna sleep early, but that's not true. Sometimes I don't sleep that early, and then I tell myself on the weekend you can sleep more, but that's not true either, because on weekends your girl likes to party. So yeah, I'm just kidding, but yeah, I like to go, like, not party, but then I'll just dab a little bit from my hand to my beauty blender, and I'll just like dab it in. I mean, what was it? Oh yeah, I was talking about that I don't really go to parties. I stopped going to parties like a long time ago, because I mean, I'm not that involved in that type of stuff. So So yeah. So now I sometimes go to dinner with my friends, or we'll just meet at someone's house. Look, my nose is burning red. I'm sorry if you see my little nose. I'll just hit. Well, I put way too much over there on my nose, so I'll just try to fix that later. While I do this, I actually like to put my primer, my eye primer, because I think I actually changed this primer. I think I changed my mind. I don't want to use this one. I want to use the Tarte Shape Concealer because it's been doing a great job for me, really. So yeah, I'll just do that. I actually just put it like with a little brush, and then I'll just dab it with a finger. And I'll just put it all the way up because I think it gives me a clear canvas. And I like that. I like having a clear canvas so I can do or make up any look I want. And the color of my lids doesn't like change the color pigment. So yeah, I'll just let that set in and finish my foundation. I think my nose needs more. I think I have a really red nose. I don't know if it's just me or what's up, but yeah. So there it is. I know my neck is a little bit like lighter, a lot lighter I can see, but I promise you that in real life it looks good. So yeah, I'm done with that, and then I'll just start with my eye makeup. So first of all, I'm gonna use this Morphe palette. I just got it weeks ago, like the past weeks, but I was on vacation, so I didn't have the chance to like actually test it out. So I'm thinking about what look to do. Oh yeah, I know. I want to use like I want a pop of color, and I think I'm gonna, I'll use the purple. So sorry, I had to move this up. So yeah, now I'm done with my foundation, I can go to my eyes. I'm gonna use this Morphe palette, and I'm gonna start up with this purple right here. That purple. And I'll just put it in my outer corner. I don't see there's a lot of pigment, or I don't know if I just grabbed too little. Let me see. I might need more. Oh, I see there. And I'll just spread it out. Blend it. I'll just blend it right there. Okay, I'll put a little bit more right here. Kind of like the outer corner, outer V. Do you see that? Yes. And I bring it all the way into my inner corner. So yeah. Then I think I'll use the same brush, but I'll use a deeper purple. I'll use this one, and I'll put it my outer V. So yeah. Whoa, I see more pigment right there. I see more pigment there. I'll just use the rest, and I'll put it onto my lid until it just looks different. So you can see there the difference. Now you can see it. So yeah, there it is. I'll just blend. So yeah, I think I brought it way inside. Then I like to use this trick. I'll just get like a card, and then I'll just use it here to clean up everything. right there. I think I'm done with that. Then I'll just use my little finger to dab. Let me see. I'll use this purpley shimmer shade. I don't know if you can see it right there. Sorry, the lighting isn't the best. So yeah, I'll just hit it onto my lids a little bit more. And then I'll grab a little bit of my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. I love this stuff. I literally love it. I'll just grab one. I already use that finger. Sorry. I'll use my pinky finger, and look, I'm literally out of it, but I love it so much. Put it right there, and after that, I'll just bronze things up with my HOOLA bronzer. I will be back and with my full face done with highlighter, blush, and everything. So yeah, I'll be back in a snap. So yes, this is my finished look. I put my Becca highlighter on. I use my HOOLA to bronze. Here it is. I use my HOOLA bronzer. I use this Revlon all-in-one mascara. And I use this liquid SUEDE NYX cream lipstick. I'm not sure if I pronounced it correctly, but this is what I used. And so yes, this is a finished look, like I just said. And I hope you guys like it. Like I said, I think at the beginning, comment down below what you guys would like to see next. And thank you. And I hope you like it. See you until next time.